What if interviews had a tutor? A mentor who's there 24/7, helping you prepare, practice, and perform at a fraction of the cost of coaching classes. Introducing AceInterview AI, your personal AI-powered interview coach. Practice, improve, and ace interviews with confidence. Anytime, anywhere. Start with interactive Q&A mode, upload your resume, job description, and experience level. You'll get a personalized list of questions. Type or speak your answers and let AI guide you with feedback that actually helps. Need to sharpen your coding skills? Enter live coding mode with tailored, time-bound challenges. Solve, submit, and get an instant performance report. It's competitive, just like the real deal. Want the real interview feel? Go one-on-one in face-to-face mode with an AI interviewer. Answer follow-ups in real time, and get a full scorecard with strengths, weaknesses, and tips. Choose your path. Practice mode is chill, like a tutor helping you improve. Mock mode is tough, like the real interview room with detailed evaluation. Thousands are already using AceInterview AI to crack interviews faster and smarter. Whether you're a fresher or a pro, this is your shortcut to success. Sign up now at AceInterviewAI.com and get ready to ace it. AceInterview AI. Interviews. Made simple, made personal.